how to get my lost streaks back on Snapchat. So to quickly get your lost streaks back on Snapchat, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your profile settings, okay? And once you're in your settings, basically you're going to come down here and you keep coming down until you see support. Now in support, you're going to click on I need help. And once you click on I need help and everything loads up, basically you're going to click on I lost my snap streak. And once you click on I lost my snap streak, it's going to basically load you up into, the whole contact us section. And here we are. So they're going to, give you all this stuff. So you're going to say, what do you need help with? How do I restore my snap streak? You're going to click on that. And once you've done that, down here, you're just going to enter all the information. You're going to enter the username, email address, mobile number, the device you lost the snap streak on, your friend's username who you lost the snap streak on with, when did you start having the issue, just put in the day you lost the snap streak, and how long was your snap streak. Make sure that this is accurate. Even if it's not, just make sure it's off by 10 or 20 points. Did you see this icon? Click on no, and in the description, write something like, I had an issue, I did not see, the hourglass icon and I was mistaken, stuff like that. And then just submit it, and in like 5 to 10 minutes your snap streak should be back. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.